What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned, stay in tuned. Let's get into it. I don't think I'm going to be sliding today. I think I'm going to hold off on the sliding, maybe do like one or two, but nothing crazy. Just a little drive, get some fresh air type shit. But yeah. Also, the M2 is growing on me, and I know I said this in my last video. If you didn't watch that, give that one a watch. But the M2 is really growing on me. Like, a lot. So I'm thinking about, you know, something there. Look at the fucking, I don't think that's a cop. Jesus. Fucking bitch. Yeah, if you got negativity, I never understand the YouTube world or even like social media in general, where like you got nothing to do but like it takes a lot of effort to just watch a video, whether it's 10 seconds or 10 minutes of it, go to the comment section, type out what you want to say that's negative, and then click post or send or whatever. Like that takes a lot of fucking effort. Like if you really have nothing to do in your life and that's what you know, get off on, you're really a fucking bum. Like, and bum is not money. Bum is literally like mentality. Like you're literally a fucking bum if that's what you do every day. That shit gets on my nerves. Like you have nothing better to do, whether you don't like the video, whether this or that, whatever type of feedback you got, you go out of your way to write it. Like you're a fucking loser. That'll be all for today. But fuck all that. Again, negativity, skedaddle with that shit. Bring that shit to a different channel. If you don't like it, skip the fuck off. It's that fucking simple. But like I said, fuck all that. If you're here for the vibes, stay and let's get into it. Should I skip the line like that, dude? Yeah. Oh, this fucking guy, I made it seem like everybody was waiting in line. Fucking idiot. It's crazy. Everybody's going that way. Is there something I don't know? It's kind of spooky. Everybody's going that way. That was weird. Yeah, I don't know why everyone's going that way. It's kind of odd. Oh! Oh! Look at that. You don't see these. I feel like in the US, the wagons are like not a big thing. Damn, relax. Relax. That was tough. The wagon was tough. Guys, I panicked. No, I didn't panic, but I did hit this shit by accident. I don't know why. You know what it is? It's so fucking hot out. Like, I have to really like full throttle it, I'm realizing. Because the other day I didn't have to full throttle, but it was cold out and my tires were cold. But I feel like now it's like, It's really fucking sticky. It's sticky, icky, Vicky. Oh, look. Oh, it's a dead end. Fuck. But this is a perfect opportunity, you know? Get some tires wet type shit. You know? I'm surprised one of the angry neighbors didn't just come out and be like, what the fuck? Fucking water bottle. That's not a cop up there. Fuck. Is that a cop? No, it's not. Oh, is it? Fuck, I think it is. No, it's not. It's not. I'm really opening it up. I was sure I was a fucking cop. I think I'm gonna end it there. If you're new to the channel, like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned, stay in tuned, and I'll see you in another motherfucking video.